Sean Combs' legal team calling Friday Diddy Day. It's expected to be a marathon sentencing that could last most of Friday, with one of his former assistants, Mia, reading a victim impact statement, and then one by one, members of his family expected to address the judge asking for Combs to come home. After nearly 13 months in federal lockup, Sean Diddy Combs making his final appeal for mercy. In an 1,100-word letter to the judge Thursday night, the 55-year-old says he's asked God for atonement and is pleading for a second chance on the outside, foremost admitting his downfall was rooted in selfishness, writing, "The scene and images of me assaulting Cassie play over and over in my head daily. I literally lost my mind. I was dead wrong." Writing, as a father of 4 girls, his actions against Cassie were unforgivable. He says jail has been everything from rewarding to miserable and humbling, explaining, "There have been some days I thought I would be better off dead. The old me died in jail, and a new version of me was reborn." Several of his fellow inmates wrote letters to the judge as well about how the music mogul made them better. But he hopes his days behind bars are behind him, begging to be back with his family as a changed man, drug-free and nonviolent. His defense team asking for a 14-month sentence with credit for time served. But as the government seeks a minimum of 11 years for his conviction on prostitution-related charges, the typically confident Combs is admittedly scared to death. Quote, "Scared to spend another second away from my mother and my children. I no longer care about the money or fame," he said.
He should definitely serve some jail time.
Former alternate juror known as George spent 7 weeks in the courtroom with Diddy and the judge.
He's been sticking kind of to his guns and just towards the rule of law. So I think he's just going to continue to do that.
Each legal team submitted a combined hundreds of pages of documents for the judge to consider when sentencing. In July, you'll remember that Combs was acquitted of the most serious charges that could have sent him to prison for life.